We'll guide you through how to use two WhatsApp accounts on one phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do, as you may go and have a WhatsApp number for personal things and another for work or for another reason. So we're going to guide you through how you can have them both on one phone. Come to the top right and find the three dots, and you want to go down and find the option for settings. At the top, you're going to go and see your account. And to the right, you're going to see the plus, and you want to go and tap there, and you'll then go and see your current WhatsApp account, and you want to press at the bottom, add WhatsApp account. Then this will go and load. You're going to get brought to the add an account page. What you can then do is go and press agree and continue if you do. I've read these before. If you're doing this with another number, you can type it in. But if the WhatsApp account's already active on another device, you want to press the three dots in the top right and press link as companion device. You'll get given a QR code and you can scan it with the other phone in the link devices section and go and add it. I'm adding this as a phone number though, as the account isn't currently on another device. It'll need to go and be verified, but we can do this with a missed call. So let me go and press allow. You can then go through the rest of the setup process. It shouldn't go and take long. I've now added it, and you can switch between accounts by pressing the three dots in the top right and pressing switch account, and you'll then go and switch. Leave a like if you found this useful.